Okay, shall we start? يلا حبايبي, we don't have a lot of time. Maram, Majd, sorry, this is the last session. Today is the last day, Majd. Okay, yalla, let's continue. Then Maram Ghazawi.
Okay.
Maram,
Yes.
how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Let me just say something for Majd and Afnan. Let someone take a video of you giving a presentation, your introduction, and send it to my email, okay? Type. Yes, Maram?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a
Ayat,
minute.
you're with us?
Yes, I'm here. I'm ready.
Okay, حبيبتي, يلا.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay. The screen is sharing, صح? Okay. You can see?
Yes.
Okay. Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about a fascinating miracle that happens inside our bodies. So, but before we start, I just want to ask you a question. Is it possible to fit something 2 meters long into something so small that we cannot see it with our naked eye, which means microscopic? So what do you think? This yes or no? Who wants to answer the question?
Well,
No, it's impossible.
It's impossible. Okay.
Yeah.
Who wants to answer more? Yes or no?
I think, yes,
It's possible.
if we,
Yes, you can say.
it depends on the density of the material or
Okay, let's see. Actually,
Maram, we cannot hear you. Maram, it seems there is a problem with the with your internet connection. Maram, time. Until Maram fixes her connection. Rawan, are you ready? Rawan, are you ready? Rawan? Okay. Lubna Abu Abed? Lubna? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, Rawan. Okay, Rawan, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yalla, Rawan. We need to see your camera, please. Ayat, you're going to put new timer for Rawan.
Okay.
Rawan, where are you?
Can you see me?
No.
اوكي تيشر تشرح حدا بعدين انا بعدها.
طيب لبنى أبو عابد. لبنى. لبنى. طيب ريهام. Do we have Riham here? Okay. Sundos. Sundos. اوكي. هربوا من الحصة يا أستاذ سائد.
بس إذا ما في حدا أنا باخذ دور.
يا حبيبتي يا روى يلا. اوكي جو.
if they are not ready يعني.
لا هو مش ما
yes
في
sure
حدا.
sure.
هم
Yes,
they're
yes.
joining now.
السلام
ما بعرف.
عليكم.
There must be a problem. اوكي يلا روى. هاي سندس she's joining now. اوكي.
yeah.
يلا روى. Put the timer please. مرام
Okay, good
حبيبتي you're going
afternoon.
to wait until after روى.
Good afternoon, everybody. How are you today? As we started earlier in this week talking about the human body, we knew that human body is made of different organ systems, and we already started talking about one of them, which is responsible about delivering oxygen to muscles. And who can remind us with this system, please? Can you remember the name of the system that we started talking about?
Circulatory system.
Circulatory.
Yeah, excellent. Good job. The circulatory system. So
Bronchi,
we will start with
lungs.
it. Yeah. Now the circulatory system is the lesson of today, and 2 days earlier we already started talking about the organs that make this system. You will be able to identify the organs, explain their functions, and today's lesson will concentrate on describing the blood cells and their functions. So as a revision, who can tell us about the organs of this system? Who can remember? There are 3 organs in this system. Who can remind us?
The heart.
Heart.
Veins.
Vessels.
Arteries.
Vessels, excellent.
Blood.
And blood, yes. So the 3 major parts of this system we can call the parts organs is the heart, the blood, and blood vessels. In a word or a phrase, who can describe the function of the heart? You can describe it in 1 word or more.
Pumps.
This is audible
Pumping
or
blood.
2 days ago. Again, please. Again, please.
Pumping blood.
Yeah, it's a pump that pumps blood all over the body. Good job. So the heart, remember when you talk about the heart, just do like this. Your heart is the size of your fist. If you have a big fist, you have a big heart. So the heart is a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood all over the body. It has 4 chambers or rooms, 2 atria, the upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, the lower chambers. Now, the second part we already discussed 2 days ago, which are the blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry them back to the heart. Capillaries are the joining points where exchange happens between the cells and the blood itself. Now, today's lesson, all of this is just a revision for our lesson about circulatory system. You can see this picture of the heart and the veins. Is it clear or not?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Okay,
it's
here you can see the heart in the middle with its 4 rooms, and you can see 2 kinds of vessels, the arteries and the veins. Red doesn't mean artery, and blue doesn't mean vein. The direction of blood movement is what gives the name for the vessel. If it comes towards the heart, it's a vein. If it comes out of the heart, it's an artery. And this net of capillaries is where transaction happen or exchange happen of gases and nutrients. Today's lesson will talk about the liquid that is pumped by the heart and moves in the vessels, which is the blood. Blood is a liquid, and they use centrifugation to separate the parts of the blood. As you can see here, the blood is made of 3 main parts, and one of the fourth is the plasma. Plasma is the liquid in which those 3 parts swim. The parts are the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is a liquid. It makes most of the blood, 55%. Minerals, water, salt, proteins are also in the plasma. But the cells that makes the blood are the red blood cells and the white blood cells. Each one of them has their own function. Red blood cells carry all gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, towards the heart, towards the lungs, towards the cells. And the white blood cells are responsible for the immune system. Platelets are not actually cells, they are parts of cells or fragments of cells that have a function, a crucial function in blood clotting and wound healing. Now we will use the laboratory equipment and we will look at slides of blood smears. You will be able to use the microscope, the slides that are already made. You will see different types of cells under the microscope. After you see those slides, you can draw what you saw, what you will see. You will draw the blood cells that you could see. After this activity, we can go to some questions. We can use think, pair, share, or discussion or class discussion for the questions. What's the function of the heart? What do arteries differ from veins? What's the function of the red blood cells? Why are white blood cells important for our health? And at the end, I'll give you a homework, which is search and find the name of an inherited blood disorder. There are many inherited blood disorders. Choose one of them and write a short paragraph to talk about it next class. Any questions?
والله يا روى يعني ما شاء الله عليكي.
Thank
You're a
you.
teacher, you have great command of English.
Thank
And okay, why you don't share it with us live? What do you mean, Majd? I cannot understand. You want to okay.
I mean that Curipod, I think you make your presentation on Curipod website, right, Rawa?
Yeah, you're right, because
Yes.
my office is not working, so this is my first time I use Curipod.
Yes, because Curipod live, it's so
Live, yeah,
interactive. Yes, it's so interactive. I love Curipod because it's
this is my first time I use
all of
it,
students to share or all of students to join. Yes.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
You're right. It will take more
that's
time.
so great.
Okay. Now, again, Ruwa, mashallah, and your language is flawless, almost flawless. Your organization is wonderful. The pictures, the questions, the brainstorming, the organization. Yani, I don't feel there is any problem. You gave them more than one activity. You gave them the lab, and then you gave them, but the problem was at the end when you said, I want to give you a homework. We don't say a homework, okay? We say a piece of homework.
A piece
homework
of homework.
Cannot pluralized. It's
really?
not singular.
That's new to me. Thank you, Ms. Tamara.
Okay, but really, yani, even you were very calm when you were giving the lesson. It shows how confident you are in the information you've got and in presenting it. And students, they need to feel this, okay?
Thank you.
If they feel this, they feel they are in safe hands, okay? Wonderful. And you talked about the objectives. But again, because I'm saying this to everyone, okay? I said, imagine it's only 10 minutes.
10 minutes,
you covered so much.
Yeah,
okay?
I said, suppose that we took 2 classes before, yeah.
Yes. But in real life situation, really, maybe half of this you won't be able to give in
Yes,
10 minutes.
you're right.
Okay?
You're right.
The students will keep
Sometimes
on
the lab activity itself take a whole class.
lesson.
Sometimes.
Yes, but
yeah.
wonderful. You are wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Tamara. Thanks to you.
والله عم بتفاجئوني بصراحة. Thank you. طيب لبنى.
Yes, I'm here. Yes.
Okay. Okay, your presentation, Lubna. But wait, we have to see Maram. Maram Ghazawi, are you back? Because you had a problem, Maram. Okay, it seems that, okay. Anyways, Lubna, where were you? We kept on calling you.
Yes, I was eating والله.
صحة وعافية صحة وعافية.
شكرا شكرا.
طيب يلا, are you ready? والله يا لبنى أنا I love honest answers. والله I love honest answers. Maram, what happened? Where did you go?
سوري مس تمارا والله ما بعرف ليه طلع يعني حتى كنت خلصت الدرس بحكي ما حدا بيجاوبني فعرفت أدركت إنه ما في كنت طالعة.
طيب إذا let Lubna do it now, and after Lubna we'll continue with you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
يلا.
Okay, but first I want to tell you that I'm not good in English, but I will try.
طيب بس I'll tell you something, Lubna. Never say something negative. Okay? Never. Always say, for example, instead of saying I'm not good in English, say I'm working to improve my English. لأنه when you say I'm not good at English or at speaking English, that means خلاص انت you judged yourself and you will never improve. But you are here today and you are taking the lesson and you're doing your best. But the natural result is what? For you to improve, to become good at English. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Start. Do you want to share your screen?
I want to share photos.
Okay, you can share.
Yes.
Should I start the timer?
Yes, Ayat.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. Okay. Hello everyone. How are you? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Last time we talked about metabolism. We talked about anabolism. We explained photosynthesis. Today we will complete the lesson. Okay, before we start, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why we eat and breathe? Have you ever wondered how you get the energy you need to do different things in your life? Do you want to answer?
Yes, let them answer. يلا شباب,
Think we eat to
answer.
get energy?
Yes. Many organisms, including animals, plants, and some bacteria, eat food and breathe in oxygen to generate energy or to make energy in form of ATP. Okay. This process is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, which is a catabolism process. Catabolism يعني break down large molecules into small molecules. Okay. Now we have this formula. Glucose from food plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Today we will talk about this energy. Okay. Respiration is a process by which cells break down glucose using oxygen to release energy. This energy powers everything from thinking to running. Okay. There are two types of respiration. Aerobic respiration with oxygen and aerobic respiration without oxygen. Okay, aerobic respiration gives more more energy, while anaerobic respiration is used during high workouts or intense workouts. Okay, now I want to ask a question. Where does this process takes place or take place?
In mitochondria.
In mitochondria, yes. I want to share another picture. Okay. Okay. Energy is made by mitochondria. Look at this picture. This is the cell. Look at these organelles. This organelle is mitochondria. Okay. Mitochondria is one of the most important organelles in the cell. It's the body's energy factory. Okay. Let's go into mitochondria. I want to share another picture. Okay. Let's go into the mitochondria and see what happens. Before we enter the mitochondria, glycolysis is which is a series of chemical reactions take place in cytosol and don't require oxygen. 2 ATP molecules are produced from glycolysis or from this process, and 2 pyruvate. This 2 pyruvate, when oxygen is available, 2 molecules or 2 pyruvate molecules move to the mitochondria. In mitochondria produce 2-acetyl-CoA. Now, these 2-acetyl-CoA enter a Krebs cycle and produce 2 ATP. 2 ATP. 2 cycles of a Krebs cycle must be completed for each one glucose molecule. Okay. Finally, electron transport chain and chemoosmosis occurs and produce 34 ATP. Okay, that's it. Do you have a question?
For me, I don't have a question. Okay. Now.
Okay. Now you have homework. Yes. How many ATP are produced from cellular respiration?
Okay. Is this an exit ticket or homework for students?
Homework for students.
But isn't it too short to be homework?
Yes.
Then make it exit ticket. Right. I have to say something, Lubna. At the beginning, you said that you were not good at English. Okay. So you gave everyone the assumption that you're not good at English. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I want to disagree with you because you gave a lesson, you spoke in English, you gave the correct pronunciation. The mistakes that you have done, or the mistake, let's say, when you said how does, and then there's another verb that has S. How does it works, I think. Okay? You had a question when you said how does it works. Now the S moved to does. So how does it work? Okay? But other than that, honestly, I did not find I did not find any problem. You have the fluency. طبعا you need to work more on it. But you're not that weak, يا لبنى. Stop saying you're weak. Okay? Yalla, good. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now we have Maram. Maram, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Okay, just wait a minute.
Ayat, start the timer.
Okay.
Maram, start where you stopped.
Okay, where I'm stopped because I don't know.
Fine. I'll tell you, you stopped. Let's reveal the answer.
Okay, hon. Okay, تمام. So actually the answer is yes. Something about 2 meters long really does fit inside every tiny cell in your body. And that something is your DNA. Each cell in our body contains a DNA. As you can see in this picture below, we have a cell and it contains a nucleus. So the nucleus is where the DNA located in. So can you imagine? Imagine that about 2 meters long of DNA can fit in this tiny nucleus? So we will see how this fascinating miracles happen. And also we see in this picture the different structure of DNA. We will talk about it in a couple of times. Okay. But first, let me share the learning objective. Okay. Let me share the learning objective for today. Today, you will be able to define what DNA is and describe its basic structure. Explain why DNA is long and how it fits inside the cell nucleus. And finally, reflect on the wisdom behind the design. Okay. What is the DNA? It is the genetic material found in all living organisms, like animal cell, plant cell, human cell, even in bacteria. They all have a DNA, genetic material. So DNA is found inside the nucleus of almost every cell, as I mentioned before. It's shaped like a twisted ladder called double helix. So this picture shows us the double helix of structured DNA. It carries the instruction needed for the body to grow, develop, and function. Also determine traits such as eye color, hair type, blood type, and so on. Actually, this is a quick overview of about the DNA, but inshallah, next lesson we will learn about more detail about that. Okay. So now let's see a short animation of how DNA fits inside the nucleus. Okay. Wait.
In this animation, we'll see the remarkable way our DNA is tightly packed up so that 6 feet of this long molecule fits into the microscopic nucleus of every cell.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
The process starts when DNA is wrapped around special protein molecules called histones. The combined loop of DNA and protein is called a nucleosome. The nucleosomes are packaged into a thread known as chromatin. This fiber is then looped and further packaged using other proteins which are not shown here. The end result is that the DNA is tightly packed into the familiar structures we can see through a microscope, chromosomes. Chromosomes are not always present. They form around the time cells divide when the 2 copies of the cell's DNA need to be separated. At other times, as we can see now after the cell has divided, our DNA is less highly organized. It is still wrapped up around the histones, but not coiled into chromosomes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. After watching the video, let's summarize the whole process. Okay. How does it coil and compact? So the DNA wraps tightly around a protein called histones, like a thread around the spools. Okay. Imagine that the DNA is like a thread, okay? And the spools is the histone or a protein, okay? So the DNA is wrapped around the spools or the histone. This is the first step of how it coils. Okay. After that, this wrapped unit forms nucleosome like beads on a string. DNA plus histone, it forms a nucleosome. So you can see in this picture below, multiple nucleosome here. Okay. After that, the nucleosome coil into a spiral shape. This is in spiral shape. You can see this, or helical shape. Okay. And this spiral folds and compact together tightly to form a thicker fiber called chromatin. This purple structure, when we say supercoils, okay, this is called chromatin. Condensed and compact DNA. Okay. اللي هي هون wait, nucleosome coil into spiral shape. These spiral fold and pack together more tightly to form a thicker fiber called chromatin. So if a cell undergoes a cell mitosis, as Ms. Dima mentioned at the beginning of this lesson, so chromatin become highly condensed to form visible structure called the chromosome or chromosome. So the chromosome is condensed and more packed DNA. So this is the final result that we can see only in cell division. In all cells without cell division, it's also chromatin, always chromatin. So this is a figure show us different stages or different structure of the DNA. DNA, chromosome, chromatin, and chromosome. And this is a summary to all the steps and stages to how is the DNA packed inside the cell. Okay, so why do you think DNA is so long? What purpose does that serve? What do you think? Yes, why is the DNA so long? What is the purpose? Who wants to answer?
To cover all functions and features.
Features, excellent. Who wants to answer more? Another? Okay.
Maybe it's long to be strong.
Must be strong, yes. Okay. Okay. The logic behind DNA length, it carries a huge amount of information. Every cell holds a complete code to build the human body. And the second reason, length allows diversity. Each cell section of DNA control a different trait, so its length give room for variation among a human. So that's why each human has unique. Okay. The wisdom behind it. Its length combined with the precise folding is a sign of a perfect design. Truly, this reflects the wisdom, precision, and the beauty of God's creation. And in yourself do you not see. وفي أنفسكم أفلا تبصرون. The open reflection. Okay. What surprised you the most about the DNA? So what is the most thing that surprised you the more about the DNA or amazed you? Who can answer? Yes.
The length of the DNA.
هلا أنا مش قادرة أشوف في الشاشة لأنه أنا عاملة سكرين ريكورد فأي حدا بيقدر يجاوب. Okay.
How it's packed in a very small space like a nucleus.
Yes.
With again, although it's long.
It's long. Okay. And finally, this is the most of one of the most incredible experiments that you can do in your home easily with your kids or sibling, and of course, in front of the class. It's how to extract DNA from strawberry or banana. So there is a step. You can follow it, and that is the result. You can get it. This is sticky, transparent. This is the DNA. You can see by naked eye without microscope. And that's the end of my lesson. Just
okay, Ayat, I think time is over for Maram, right?
It took 9 minutes.
Okay. Right. Maram.
Okay.
Your presentation was wonderful, but try when you give, especially PowerPoints in front of students, try to read less.
Okay.
These points are not put for you to read from, okay? يعني you know the information, so say it, okay? If the students wants to go back to it, it's okay. But for you to read, students will get bored. So you, here, many times you talked more than you read, but I'm drawing your attention not to read, okay?
Okay.
I love the articulation between religion and science. I love the experiments. I loved how you showed them at the end, how you can see DNA with naked eye. You're trying to make them visualize as far as possible. This is the real thing about teaching. When you make things come alive in front of the students, okay? Not only to imagine in their heads, no, to see real examples in front of them. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, Rawan, if you're ready, we can, Rawan,
Yes,
are you here?
Yes.
Yalla, Rawan, do you want to start?
Okay. I share.
Okay. Yalla, start the timer.
Okay.
Rawan, we can see your password, ya Rawan.
اوكي مش مشكلة عادي.
Rawan, until you fix it, I will let someone start until you fix it, okay?
Okay.
Right. Sundas, are you here? Sundas? Type Sundas. Okay. Riham? Riham?
تمارا
Yes.
يعطيك العافية حبيبتي. Can I start now?
Sundas. Okay. Let someone take a video of you and send it to my email. Yes, Isra, are you ready? Isra?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay, I need to see your picture is not showing. Yes.
Hi.
Hello, Isra. Yalla, Isra. Are you ready? Yalla, let's time you. Yalla, ya Ayat.
How can I share? Yes.
No, you can share.
Can I share now?
Yes.
It's sharing or not?
Yes, we can see.
Can you see my screen?
But it's loading.
It's loading. Okay. Until it's loading, let's restart. Today we are going to talk about the body energy factor. But first, let's watch this video. Mm. It is not sharing. Is my screen shared for you?
We cannot see it. There's a blank screen in front of us.
Should I stop
Can you
this
see?
timer?
Yes, yes. Now
Can
it's
you see
working.
this?
Yes. But there's no voice.
Are you? There is no voice. Now,
Raise the voice from your laptop.
is there voice?
No, Isra. We cannot hear a thing. طيب Isra, I'll go back to Rawan. I think she has fixed her problem until you fix your problem so that
Sorry,
we
Mr.
don't
Mara.
waste time.
Sorry, Mr. Mara. Can you repeat?
We will let Rawan start, okay, until you fix your problem, okay?
I don't know what's the problem to fix that.
It's not clear, that's why.
Okay.
Yalla Rawan. Yes?
Can you?
Yes, we can see you. Now you're going to share your screen?
Sorry, Mr. Mara. But were you watching the screen that I shared?
No. There was no voice.
No voice. Were you watching the screen that I shared?
We can see it, but we cannot hear it.
Okay. That means you watch the video, but without me.
يعني you can skip it. بس خلص let now is Rawan do hers and then we'll get back to you Isra. يلا Rawan.
Share is start, yeah?
Yes, no, there's no sharing. طيب okay, until Rawan and until you fix it, we'll find someone else. Isra and Rawan, stay aside. Sundus, she cannot, she has a toothache. Riham, is Riham here? Riham? No. طيب, Riham is not here. طب no Lena's today? No Lena? We had two Linas. They're not here today. Okay. Hadil Deed. Hadil Deed.
I'm all ears, Miss Tamara. Wallahi, I'm sorry. يعني I apologize you so much because I have no newborn from 2 weeks. I'm always busy, wallahi. But I love you and like you and so يعني thank you so much, wallahi. You are the best teacher in my world. والله. فso sorry, والله.
علي Hadil. Okay. Send me a video of you to my email, okay?
Okay.
طيب. هلا let's see. We have Rana Rasheedat. Rana.
Hello, Miss كيفك?
I'm
How are
fine.
you?
How are you?
How are you?
Okay. Yes.
Miss Tamara, I am trying to improve my English. I am trying.
You're doing a good job, yeah, Rana.
Yes, maybe.
Okay. Are you ready for your presentation?
Yes, I think I ready.
Okay. Yalla. Bismillah and start.
Yes, but Rawan,
خلاص.
yes.
Stop Rawan.
Okay.
Until Rawan fixes hers and after you, okay?
Yes.
طيب آيات يلا the timer. يلا رنا start.
Hello, my students. Chair, yes?
Yes, we can see it.
Yes.
Clear.
Hello, my students. Today we will talk about the respiratory system. Its parts, the systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. The first, you have a lesson object to identify the part of the respiratory system to recognize the pulmonary circulation, to recognize the systemic circulation. Firstly, let's start by watching the video summarizes how breathing work. أنا بدي أشير فيديو. Can you see? Can you see the video?
No.
No.
Oh no.
دقيقة. How the share it?
You have to go to YouTube itself and get out of your PowerPoint to show the video.
I do it. Yes. I think this. Can you see? Can you see the video?
Yes, but there's no sound.
Yes.
There's no sound, Rana.
Oh my God. Can I turn off?
Yes.
Yes. After the video, the summary of the video is air inhaled through the nose or mouth. Oxygen is stored into the blood in lungs. Carbon dioxide is released from the blood in the lungs. And finally, the oxygen is carried by red blood cells, our cells, yes, to the rest of the body. So we should to go the slide or to the slide. Tamara, I'm very sorry.
Sorry, Rana, what do you want to say?
I want to go to slide.
Okay, now exit this, go to your PowerPoint, put escape.
Yes.
Yes, and go to PowerPoint.
Yes. I'm sharing this. Yes. Can you say slides?
No, not yet. Close it and go to your PowerPoint.
Stop sharing and sharing
again.
Yes. Can you see slides? Can you see my slides?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The second, yes, شوي. The second of the slide, we see, oh, don't, yes. In the second slide, we will find the respiratory system is divided into two main sections. Upper respiratory tract noise, or nose, nasal cavity عفوا, and pharynx and larynx. And lower respiratory tract, yes, we see trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Way. I don't say this word. Way.
Where is it?
In the slide. Can you see the slide?
Alveoli? The biology teachers, you should know these words.
Yes, it's alveoli.
Not a biology teacher, she's a chemistry teacher.
Yes.
عشان هيك سامحيني لها رنا.
I'm very sorry.
No, why should you be sorry? This is not your field. Your field is chemistry, not biology. It's okay. Yes.
The third slide is pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is خليني أسكر هاي لأنه كتير مش شايفة أنا. Yes, the pulmonary circulation is responsible for oxygenating the blood, and deoxygenated blood is created from the right, created or created from the right ventricle to the lung. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is changed for oxygen, and oxygenated blood is then returned to the left atrium of the heart.
Okay.
Systemic circulation delivers oxygen-rich blood to the body. Oxygenated blood is pumped from the left ventricle through the aorta and
It's okay. Rana.
Yes.
You can do something about chemistry if biology is difficult for you.
Yes,
okay, let's
it's
make
very
things
difficult.
easy. Yes, okay. Now, I cannot judge you for biology. يعني imagine me giving French. It's a language, but it's not my language.
Yes.
Okay? So you can do another video and send it to me about chemistry. You will see your strength. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. I won't let you complete it. Do something else about chemistry and send it to my email.
Yes, thank
okay,
you,
a
miss.
video.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Yalla. Rawan, you were ready. Hala, I'll tell you something. After Rawan, because there are students who cannot give their presentations, they're going to send it to my email. Remember, this is the final project. And after Rawan, I have to talk a little bit about, يعني, it's the last lesson, so I have to give you the final tips, okay? So Rawan, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yalla, start. Yalla ya Ayat, put the timer, please.
Screen share.
Sorry?
Ms. Tamara, there is no time for me.
والله يعني I don't mind. يعني if they don't mind waiting, and I don't mind. But you can send it as a video if you want.
Okay.
If Rawan is
But I don't know how to send a video.
يعني you can record it for me.
Okay, I will record, but I have a video. I have a three-dimension photo.
طيب,
How
you know
can
what?
I?
لا, wait, إسراء. لا, wait. Let's see, Rawan.
Yes,
what's
teacher.
happening with you, Rawan?
Teacher, I shared.
Okay, يلا start.
Okay, مبين يعني.
The last time we said we might take more time today because it's the last lesson. فتحملونا please, okay? يلا
Okay.
Rawan.
مبين miss?
Yes.
Okay. How are you today? Today we will talk about the group for food groups. And by the end of the lesson, we should achieve the following objectives. The first one of objectives, students will be able to recall and list the main food groups. And students will be able to identify and provide examples of foods from each food group. The last one, students will be able to apply their knowledge of food group by planning a balanced meal. Okay, first, let's review the food groups together by watching the video.
Rawan, put your camera on.
Camera مش on?
No, it's not on.
طيب.
Yes.
هيك on.
Yes, it's on now. It's not on.
طيب أعملها on وأفتح الشير.
Okay. يلا continue. خلص روان بدناش الصورة. It's okay.
الفيديو عشان you can see the video.
We can see it, but we cannot hear anything.
Now.
No. Okay. Go on. There's no need for the video. It's okay. Are
Now
you going to ask questions about the video?
Yes. Now there are some questions for you based on the video you just watched.
Okay.
The first question: what are the 5 food groups maintained in the video? Who would like to answer?
It moved very quickly. If you skip this question, because it's about the video, so it's not fair to ask questions about a video that was not clear. Move on to the next point.
Okay, next one. First one, protein. Example of high protein food: milk, eggs, fish, milk. Okay. Okay. Who wants to read this part for us, please? You can see the paragraph?
Yes. Can I?
Yes.
Protein is an essential nutrient that helps build and repair body tissues. It supports muscle growth, boosts the immune system, and contributes to overall body strength.
Great. This is mean that protein is important for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, strengthening the immune system, and improving overall body strength. Okay. The second important food group is carbohydrates. Can anyone please give me some example of carbohydrates?
Pasta.
Breads.
Yes. Excellent.
Rice.
Bread, pasta, rice, potatoes. Okay. Carbohydrate. Who wants to read this paragraph? Please.
Rawan, if we can stop the reading.
Okay.
Okay, yani just tell us very quickly what it's about and we'll move on.
Okay. Carbohydrates are organic compounds that provide the body primary source of energy by being converted into glucose. This energy supports daily activities as well as brain and nervous system functions. Okay, carbohydrates, example of food high in carbohydrates, bread, pasta, rice, and potato. Lipids or fats, example of high fat food. Oil, butter, nuts, and cheese. Lipids and fats are organic compounds that are insoluble in water and perform various vital functions in the body, including energy storage, forming cell membranes, insulating and protected organs, as well as playing a role in hormone production and helping the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. What?
Isra, can you mute yourself, please? Okay, Rawan, continue.
Okay, the third food group, vitamins and minerals. The example of the vitamins and minerals, fruit, vegetables, eggs, and cereals.
Yes, yes, Isra, we can hear you.
وينكم يا جماعة؟
Isra, we are here. Okay, go on, Rawan.
Okay, vitamins and minerals are essential nutrients needed by the body in small amounts. Vitamins support function such as immunity and energy production, while minerals help build bones, regulate muscles and nerves, and promote growth and overall health.
Okay. Ayat, what's the time? Ayat?
Yes, yes. It took 9 minutes and 53 seconds.
Sorry?
9 minutes and 53 seconds.
Okay, that means you're almost done, Yarawan. Move on to the last thing, which is the exit ticket.
Okay. Questions and answer session. True or false question. Milk is part of the dairy group. True or false? Tell me.
True.
True. True.
Yeah. Candy is a healthy food from the vegetables group.
False. No. False.
False. Rice and pasta are examples of grains. True or false?
False.
Okay. Fill in the blanks. Chicken and fish.
All of
Okay.
this, all of this is going to be exit ticket. Fill in the blank. يعني exit ticket too long. يعني stick to the first question or the second one.
Okay, teacher, الإكزيت هو يعني بالنهاية أنا راح أحكي لهم if you have understand today lesson, tomorrow there will be a group breakfast. Everyone should bring what they like, يعني that we can classify the food according to the food groups and enjoy together. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Thank you
activity.
very much, Rawan.
I have finished.
Okay,
teacher.
thank you, Rawan. Hala, Rawan, and for everyone else, before I get back to Isra. Okay? Yalla. Now, thank you, Rawan. Let me just stop the sharing. Okay, Shabab. Now, today is the last lesson. Bصراحة, I did not feel the time. Time passed very quickly. Okay? انتوا جماعة, honestly, يعني you really worked hard, all of you, and you all participated, and you all showed that you wanted to learn. Most of the time, يعني, and I can see great improvement in many of you, okay, from the beginning until now. يعني, many of you, I can see that they have improved. Many of you, they had the language, but they were afraid to speak up. And let's say to speak in front of the students or someone else. Some of you were not very organized in giving the lesson or how it should look like, okay? Now, the thing is, now you know the things that you have to use, especially the grammar. So when you speak, you should know. I'm talking now, one of the presenters, I'm not sure who, I think it was Ruam, when she said something and then immediately she corrected herself. It's not wrong to correct yourself, okay? You can correct yourself because this way, sometimes when we're speaking fast, what happens? We make mistakes and it is normal. But when you correct yourself, it shows that you understand the language. I have some tips to give you before I let you go. First of all, we have to use 3 senses. These 3 senses, if we really want to improve ourselves, okay, we have to listen, watch, and speak. Listen, the more you listen to anything in English, okay, the more vocabulary and words you will have, okay? This is 1. طيب, watch. You have to watch movies, documentaries, news in English, okay, without subtitles, okay? What's the meaning of subtitles? It means the translation. Don't read the translation. Don't put it. Choose to watch something without translation and be patient. When you do it the first time, you will think that once I had an experiment with the students. I let them watch BBC News, and then I gave them questions to answer them. Many of them did not answer the questions because they did not actually understand what the reporter was talking about. They watched it again. They were able to understand some, and they answered some questions. The third time, things were clearer. So it's a matter of your ears getting used to the language, okay? But you have to be patient and speak. There are so many AI tools where you can speak with them. If you don't want to speak to people at the beginning, there are AI tools, okay, that you can use in order to speak to a machine, okay, to improve your speaking. Hello. This is regarding English. Regarding your lessons, we said it from the beginning when we said, if you are organized and well prepared, the lesson will be wonderful. Okay? So if you have never enter the class without preparation. No matter how professional you are or how experienced you are, you have to prepare. When you prepare, okay, and I've been teaching for 25 years. Every lesson is like my first lesson. I write down what I want to give, and I organize my time according to what I have to finish. And we said objectives are very important. They are the map, or let's say the objectives, they're considered the map for you and the students to know where you will reach, where you will stop, what point you're going to start with the next class. And also there is something about the activities. When you're using English and you want to give activities, I advise you, okay, to give an activity. Start with 1 activity or 2 and use English, okay? But don't give 4 or 5 activities all at once. No, perfect 1 or 2 activities in English, and then start adding gradually, okay? Okay, so in other words, you have to use similar ways, okay, until you perfect them, and then you can add to them. And third of all, or finally, please don't underestimate your power, okay? We are all learners, and every day we learn something new. But if you don't try your hard or your best to learn, you will never learn. If you keep on saying, I won't be able to do it, I don't know how, you're not putting an effort. If you put an effort, if you try, the first time, it will be okay. The second time, it will be better, etc. This is language. You need to practice it. If you stop speaking it, if you stop using it, it will disappear. Okay, you need to practice. هلا, for the ones who did not do their presentations, please try and send me something like what Rana did, remember, on her phone. There's no need for PowerPoint or video. I just need to see that you are organized in your objectives, in giving the lesson, giving an activity, how to introduce these points. You can make someone take a video of you and send it to my email. وكتير اتشرفت بمعرفتكم. Thank you very much for being very committed and very professional. Good luck in your life. وإن شاء الله بتتذكروني بكل خير يا رب.
يعطيكم
يعطيكم ألف عافية.
Miss Tamara, جد.
Thank you. Tamara.
Really, thank you, teacher.
You'll benefit. Inshallah, you'll benefit a lot. Don't stop. This is only the beginning. Okay? Yalla, thank you very much. يعطيكم ألف عافية.
It was real pleasure to know you, teacher.
والله the pleasure is mine بصراحة. يعني each one of you بصراحة. عن جد thank you. ما رح أنسى I learned from this course that bacteria is plural. But see, keep on learning. والله we keep on learning. Thank you a lot. وعن جد many of you really فاجأوني, especially when they started giving the lesson. Thank you all. Okay? Well, thank you for your commitment. Commitment is the key of success. Okay? Thank you a lot. شكرا كثير وشكرا أستاذ سائد. شكرا.
Thanks a lot for your
عفوا مستمارة. الله يعطيك ألف عافية يا رب. كثير تشرفنا فيك زي دائما وما قصرتي. كلك ذوق. شكرا.
شكرا كثير. مع السلامة.
إن شاء الله بالمحاضرات الجاية يا رب. الله يسعدك يا رب.
إن شاء الله. Thank you.
أهلا.
Thank you.